Hello, wonderful marsh balm plant Myrica gallia, subspecies tomentosa, is growing in the center of the Honshu Island of Japan on altitude 1,500 meters in Ose National Park. This species is widespread in all northern hemisphere, grows in Europe, grows in North America, and grows in East Asia. This species is very interesting because it is relative to completely different plants, which in Japan called Yamamomo. That Yamamomo is edible plant, and even frequently you can buy it in the grocery stores. This plant is completely different. So fruits of Myrica gallia are dry and not edible at all. Today, on September 23rd, female plants stay with fruits, and plant which you see right now is a male plant. Plants of Myrica changing their sexes. So several years, the big group of plants going to be male, and then at some point it decides to change the sex and start to be female for some years. Very interesting way of sexual life. So this is a male plant which prepare to develop the male wind-pollinated flowers on the next spring. So after pollination, these dry fruits will appear and you will finally see it ripe in the end of summer and in the fall. Well, question is why these plants are so well tightly united they decide to put in one genus. Answers are two. First, well, sometimes these plants are separated. So Yamamomo with the red, juicy, sweet fruits is separated in a different genus, Marella. But actually everything else, anatomy, biochemistry, molecular data show that both Myrica gallia and Myrica rubra are the same genus. And this is a very easy proof. Leaves of both Myrica gallia and Myrica rubra are very aromatic. Very nice kind of really balm odor. The plant was used in medicine and pharmacy in many countries, and in Japan it was used for roasting. So if you do something like roast fish, for example, it's very nice to add it. Young leaves are also edible, so if you like to eat something in the springtime when vitamins are not accessible, you can eat leaves of Myrica gallia. This aromatic odor will show the biochemistry similarity in biochemical processes, and these similarities are much more important than differences in fruit. Actually, Linnaeus, the father of botany, always tells, well, do not take the fruit differences as a generic differences. And actually, what is funny, after applying very new molecular and genomic tools, these ideas, like 300 all ideas, are mostly supported. For example, very different in fruits genus Prunus, like peaches and everything else, now is united like in a Linnaeus time back again in one genus Prunus. And same situation is with Myrica. So this is a Myrica gallia, the marsh balm, which makes the same genus with Yamamomo, very edible red berry. Thank you very much.